Hello students, today we will discuss about the number system. For knowing the mathematics, we have to know that what is number system and how many types of numbers are available in the mathematics. Today we will only discuss some fundamental points of number system and some basic theory. At first we have to know that what is number or the definition of number. I have already written the definition as all of you seen here in the screen notebook. So first point is the definition of number. A number is an arithmetic value used to represent quantity. Hence, a number is a mathematical concept used to count, measure and label. Thus, numbers from the basic of mathematics. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. so on from infinite minus infinity to plus infinity. The next point, after the definition, we have to know that how the numbers system was came or what is the back history of the number system. From the ancient time in our country, many rishi were started the representation of numbers in various ways. But one of the most popular way is the tedious way, which I have written in the notebook. That all of you can see here in the notebook. The inscription found at archaeological sites show that early humans used various symbols to show the numbers. That's called the number representation. This, however, was a tedious way and it was not feasible to show the quantities. After many upgradation, this way is now known as Roman type of representation in number system. For example, I have taken 5 is represented by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 perpendicular straight line crossing over a horizontally corner line that represent the number 5 by tedious way that is mostly used in statistics. Okay, around the 7th century the decimal number was started, or base 10 number, it is also known as base 10 number. Also it is known as positional method, all of you know that, was perfected in India. This method used 10 unique symbols that I have already written here to represent any number or quantity. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The next point is number in everyday life. We are using numbers in everywhere in our daily life. If we think about the time, that also a kind of representation in numbers, and as we can see the screen notebook, out of the date of the birth, our date of the birth or DOB also, our DOB also the number, means the day, month and the year you were born. So that is called the number system also. Numbers are involved in buying and selling to count money and the units of an item. We use numbers. Numbers are used to measurement, temperature, weight, length, capacity, speed, distance, area, volume and on are measured using numbers. Means we are everywhere using the numbers for represent many types of unit, many types of measurement, many types of labels to represent the number system. Number system is the basic of mathematics, all of you know that and we have to know about that. The next point is representation of numbers. Numerical symbols are numerals. All of you know that the numericals means 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, all of you seen here. But we also know that are numerals. These symbols are called as numerals, such as Hindu Arabic numerals, like that Roman numerals. 4 represented as I and V, 5 only V, 10 X, 20 double X, 25 double X V, like that the Roman numerals. It is most known way to represent the number in our daily life. The next 2 points, the basic theory or basic fundamental theory of the number system. For dependent these two system, total number system is divided like cardinal number and ordinal number. Cardinal number are counting numbers. That numbers that we use for counting are called cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers tell us how many things, items or object are there. Let us see the pen. This pen is one pen, we can see that, and we can tell that this is one. If you can ask the how much pen is there, so you can say that it is one pen. There's the things or items, means 1 2 3 4 10 and etc and so on. Then the ordinal numbers gives us the exact position of a thing, item or an object in the list. Ordinal numbers tell the position of an object rather than its quantity. Means if you secured in your class the first position and second position and third position and etc. So if you can ask a student how many position or how much position in your class, so he can tell or he or she can tell us first position or second position. This is the positional number. This is the positional number. It can represent only the position, means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, ninth, 10th and so on. That's the positional number. By using two numbers, total number system is divided into the 6 types of numbers: whole numbers, integers, even number, odd number, fraction number, decimal number and etc. So in the next part video, in the part 2, we will discuss about whole number and integer. So we will back soon and discuss about these two numbers. Thank you.